Hello friends, how are you all? We all have that particular dull day when we really don't want to cook anything but still crave for some comfort food. And that's when this instant rasam in 10 minutes will come in handy. Imagine a cold, rainy day where you do not want to do anything but cuddle up with a blanket. Then think about this instant rasam because this will get done in 10 minutes. Now come on, let's get started making this lip-smacking rasam. To begin with, let us add 2 teaspoons of cold pressed sesame oil to a pan. And then let us do the basic tempering for this rasam. Okay? This rasam calls for 1 teaspoon mustard seeds, and when the mustard seeds crackle merrily, let us add about 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. Now when the mustard and cumin are crackling merrily, let us add 2 dry red chilies torn. I am using Kashmiri dry red chilies here, but feel free to use any dry red chilies that you have on hand. The Kashmiri chilies lend a beautiful red color to the rasam. Now let us add 4 cloves of garlic chopped roughly, along with 6 shallots, that is sambar vengayam, which has been finely chopped, and a handful of curry leaves. And now let us saute this till the garlic begins to brown and the shallots become pink and translucent. This takes roughly about 1 minute on medium flame. So now you can see that the garlic has begun to brown and the shallots have become pink, soft and almost translucent. Let us add 1/4 cup of roughly chopped tomato. That is about 1 small tomato is what I've used over here. Let us give this a good mix and wait for the tomatoes to become soft. This roughly takes about 1 to 1.5 minutes. At this point, let us add 2 teaspoons of rasam powder. I'll add the link for the rasam powder in the description box, friends. Please do check it out. Once we've added the rasam powder, give it a good mix and saute for about 20 to 30 seconds. For this instant rasam today, I am using store-bought tamarind paste. If you do not have this tamarind paste, you can also soak a small marble-sized tamarind in warm water and make a tamarind extract and use it. Now, like I said, I have diluted 1.5 tablespoons of tamarind paste with 1 cup of hot water. And along with this, I am adding roughly 2 cups of water to adjust the consistency and the sourness of the rasam. This rasam will easily serve 4 people. Now that we have adjusted the consistency by adding the required amount of water, all that we have to do is cook this. Now, cooking rasam is an art. Let us now add the salt to taste at this point of time. I'll also be adding a little bit of jaggery to round off the nice taste in this rasam and also to give it a unique flavor. Friends, if you like this video, then do not forget to press the like button, share the video and leave a comment below. Please do subscribe to my channel and press the bell button for more recipe updates on a regular basis. Now let us add 2 teaspoons of jaggery powder and give it a good mix. And now, like I said, making rasam is an art. So we'll have to cook this on really low flame till the rasam begins to froth up. It takes roughly 6 to 7 minutes to attain this consistency and this stage. Now if you can see, the rasam is at different stages of simmering. It has begun to froth. The color of the rasam has also changed at this point. And at one point, if you can see, there will be tiny bubbles around the edge of the rasam. And you can no longer smell the tomatoes or the tamarind. Because we are using tamarind paste in this recipe, you need not wait for the raw smell of the tamarind to go away. Now let us add 10 curry leaves chopped finely and let us finish this lip-smacking rasam with a generous sprinkle of finely chopped coriander leaves. Now that this is done, let us close this and wait for the flavors to sink in for a couple of minutes before serving it up with some hot rice. Friends, please visit tomatoblues.com for more recipes. Thank you for watching the video. We'll be back again with another video tomorrow. Till then, take care and bye-bye.